To access the auto-guidance functionalities of your ideal, from the terminal home screen, click twice on the satellite icon on the right side of your screen. What you see now is the guidance main menu. Let's see how to create an AB line. Start creating a new field. From here, click on the first icon on the top right corner of your screen. Now you will be able to insert a new field into the system. Click on the first icon on the top right, create a new field. From here, enter your field name and confirm clicking on the green tick. Now, to activate the AB line, click on the icon with the combined silhouette and the plus on it, and the wayline menu will appear. Select then the AB wayline and confirm. Now the system is ready to record your wayline. Drive your ideal at the beginning of the longest edge of the field where you want to create your AB line. Start to harvest and press the A icon on your right. Now the system will start recording. Drive as straight as possible until the timer reaches 0. Once the counter gets to 0, a B icon will appear on the right. Press it and the recording will be complete. Proceed saving settings and eventually overwrite the existing waylines. Now, just click the auto guidance button on the joystick to engage the auto guidance. Remember, moving the steering wheel or stopping the combine will automatically disengage the auto guidance. You can also manage the system through the shortcut menu if you have activated the map visualization on third or fourth quarter. See the Auto Guidance Part 2 tutorial to learn how to do it.